Guys, what's up guys, welcome back to this amazing channel of Tarime vlogger. uh, Today is a wonderful day guys. We thank God for the gift of life guys, by saying alhamdulillah for waking us we healthier guys. So today guys, I'm just roaming just around here in my neighboring places here, but I'm going to the sawmill. Yeah, I want to process this maize to be flour, the cooking flour. Yeah, this maize guys. So remember when I told you guys here in Africa, especially in East Africa, because I have traveled in Kenya and have been in Tanzania guys, different parts of Tanzania. So I saw the major food that everybody is using guys. Okay guys, yeah, all of this country that I have roamed, Kenya and Tanzania, so the main food that they are using is ugali guys. So it is ugali guys. Ugali is the food that it is so strong. So all of these countries, I saw ugali as the first priority food. So guys, I told you that this is my homeside town. Yeah, my homestead town. This is my street guys. So you see the way it is guys. It's known as Bogosi Street guys. So yeah, stay tuned with me guys when I'm going to the sawmill there to process this maize to be flour guys, so that to prepare ugali guys, as I told you. So stay with me, stay tuned, and don't forget guys, if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video, and that will be wow and amazing guys. So if you are new to the channel, don't forget subscribe and like the video. Dogo mambo, uko poa? So guys, don't forget to like the video, and no, yeah, the huge support is watching my videos and then subscribing to my channel guys. So that is a huge support, that is very huge support guys. So be with me, stay tuned. It's already I have approached the sawmill. Yeah, it's already I have approached the sawmill, and then be with me when I'm going to process the maize to be the flour. Here we are passing, and I think I can see. So this is the sun. Oh wow. Yeah guys, so I have to switch to another sawmill because this one has been closed. So I have to switch to another sawmill. It is here, and then I have to process them here guys. So here, this is our sawmill here, this amazing town and this amazing street. So already I have entered here, but I don't see the one who is processing here. So I should have to ask here first, and then the procession will continue guys. So, yeah guys, so this is the process. It's the portion mill or the sawmill that we are using here guys. And for here, there is nobody here. So this is the one we are using here. So I think I can just wait for for the owner or for the one who is responsible here, and then I will process the maize, guys. So I don't know if you can just listen what I'm saying. that is the process that you are just using for processing maize to be cooking flour, the organic flour. So from there on you can just use it like ugali, guys, as I told you. So that is the process, guys, and so me that I was actually village here, guys. How do you rate our village for now here, guys? How do you rate our Mosi village here, guys? So expose there your comment there, guys, and then everything will be wow and okay, guys. So stay tuned until next part, guys.